Hello transformation, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to recreate 5 fall lip combos of 2025 as you guys see above. And you guys, we're going to have fun, we're going to recreate it, and let's get into the video. These are all my lip glosses that I have that you guys see that we're going to use some of them to recreate the looks that are shown in today's video. So let's get into it. With lip combo number 1, we're going to use Fenty Beauty Fushia, and we're going to use the bling She Make Money by NYX NYX. So I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty to outline my lips first to recreate this look, and this is number 12, I believe. It's either number 12 or number 6. And I'm outlining my lips because I don't have a lip liner that color, so I did use Fenty. And then I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss Bling She Got Money, and I am blending that out a little bit so it's kind of giving that shimmer gloss. I love the two colors together. They are wonderful, and they also great moisture together. So what you guys think of this look? This is lip combo number 1 for the fall. And number 2, we're going to have Nicka K High Shine. Now you can get this at your local beauty supply store. It's like $4. And I'm also going to show you guys the Diamond Glow. But I'm just using Nicka K High Shine HD lip gloss. And this is the color Black Cherry. This is number 14 that I'm using as a lip liner to apply on my lips. So I'm just making sure that I'm going over and under to make sure that you guys see the lip line of the color that is shown in the picture. I'm going to use my second is Diamond Glow by Nicka K as well. This is lip gloss, and this is called Lovely number 12 that you can also find at your local beauty supply store. This is like $3, so it's budget friendly, and I use these two colors to get this lip combo for the fall. Third, I am going to use my I'm going to use my Black Walnut by Nicka K. I'm using that to outline my lips so you guys can see how it comes together. So I use that, and I'm going to use my finger to smudge it out a little bit so it just won't be sitting there. So I want to smudge it out like the picture as you guys see. And I'm going to use the color red. I'm using Red Velvet lip matte cream, and this is in the color Very Cherry number 1. So I'm blending that out with my lips as well. So I did blend that out, and I am going to go in with Nicka K, another lip gloss, and this is called Sugar Maple. It's number 237. So I use like a dark and a light red. My next one is I'm going to use my favorite Super Rich Cream chocolate lipstick to achieve this next look. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. And I'm going to use my Ruby Velvet lip cream. This is called Unveil number 4 that I'm using. And I'm also using my finger to blend it out as well. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use my matte. It's called True Matte by Nicka K. It's called Pink Party. And this is in the number 20. So I blend those 3 colors together to achieve this look of the lip combo for the fall. So I really love this look. This is the 4th one. And I hope you guys like this so far. Last but not least, it's like this purple fuchsia color. So I'm going to use my Nicka K. It's called CALLA Lily, and this is number 26. It's like a good purple, but it's not too dark, but it's not too light. And I'm using that to outline my lips. And then I'm going to use my Ebin lipstick. It's called Glossy Stick for 24 hours. And this is called Lover Boy number 17. And I just went back in with my Nicka K to make it a little bit darker. But I do love this look for the fall. Especially, it's kind of giving like the purplish plum color look. And I just love it. I think this is a very good technique of showcasing different lip colors for the fall. So I'm just making sure that my lipstick is good. And this is the last. So which one do you guys prefer? And guys, if this is any possible way, just please support me. If you want to help me with my channel, comment down below. Also check out my Amazon wish list. It's called Modest Wish List. I have some of the products that I use in today's video, and then some I will leave a link. So please help me if you guys want to see more. Just help your girl and get more views and everything else. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.